let's take a look at the TNX as we move into Treasuries. And there are signs that the 1.76 peak in yields may be it for now. Still, we look at the potential for a stronger dollar. That makes us wonder, is the dollar going to act relatively strong on its own, or are we wrong about that, that actually the peak isn't in place yet in yields for now? So you can see in here we have several scenarios, well, a couple at least anyway. This looks like it's peaked. You can see that right there. And then getting into this corrective period, which takes you out into late April. So that's right over here. But that, you can see the strength in here in yields. This is just a choppy area. And you can see we designated a range in here about 3 weeks ago. And you can see the range. I mean, it's basically, just stuck in there. We may be stuck in there for weeks and weeks and maybe a few months. The bottom of the range right over here where that support come in around 1.47, top of the range about 1.76. And right now we're at 1.64 on yield. So this really looks to me like it's kind of stuck. And periods where you have interest rates going up, which is in a couple of weeks, could get you the spike up here to 1.97 if there is some reason in the market to do that. If not, I think 1.76 is going to be about it, and periods of rally in yields are likely to give you boost in the dollar. So that's when you'll see the boost in the dollar, you'll see the decline in the gold, silver, metals markets during those periods. When I look at the daily right in here, you can see the cyclical patterns and working nicely, and look at the signals in the PO on the bottom. The slim ribbon PO is monstrously good. And all of this upward condition that we saw, hit support rallies, failing in here. So here you get the beginning of the top of the range. And that's why I say it really looks like we're going to be seeing a range-bound action here in yields for a while. And we also think there's a bottom in the Treasury markets coming, and maybe it's not a lot deeper than what we've seen so far. So when I look at that, it says to me kind of range, and it says to me probably a shallower bottoming action going on in the Treasuries coming up.